Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. It is Coach MJ and today I'm going to be showing you how to do reverse flies for the rear delts with the pec deck machine. So we have one arm here that is already properly set up all the way at the end. So we're going to do the same thing here. You just pull on this lever right there and then we're going to bring it all the way to the last hole or as far back as it can go. Okay. Once we have this set up, next thing you want to do is go ahead and sit down and make sure that the handles are at the right height. Now we want them to be roughly the same height as our shoulders. So what I'm noticing here is that my seat is way too low and my hand is way too high for this. So we're gonna go ahead and move our seat up. We have this yellow handle here at the bottom. You're gonna pull that up and bring the seat up. And then this allows me to make sure that my arm is about the same height as my shoulder, so we are good. Now, I do these a very specific way. It allows you to get proper stretch of the shoulders. So we're actually gonna go across the body and then pull back. So make sure you're here. Arm is across your body, feet are pointing that way. This is for the left arm. We're gonna go ahead and put a weight that is good for us. And then we're going to make sure that we are leading with our elbow. So our elbow should be leading. And then we're going back across our body, nice and slow. Boom. Just like that. Cross our body again. Make sure you're going across your body the whole time. This should really feel burn in the back here on your rear delt. Boom. Just like that. And then once we are done here, we would go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And that, guys, is how you do the reverse delt fly on the pec deck machine.